my balcony. Pacific Coast Highway is right here. So pretty how you see on the back the boats, and you see the pier right over here. It's a nice view from our hotel, and this is the name of our hotel. I like this car in front of our hotel. So cute. I like the rims. So pretty. I don't really like convertibles, but I like this one. This restaurant is called Beach Shack. It looks so cute with all these lights, and because it's a little chilly, they turn on the firewood.
This is the Kimpton Shorebreak Hotel in Huntington Beach. It's right along Pacific Coast Highway, and it's an absolutely beautiful hotel here in Huntington Beach.
I'm recording how big the Huntington Beach is. So much sand.
100 yards of sand from Pacific Coast Highway to the ocean.
The triple. It turned around on the wave. That kid is good. Pigeon. Guys, come say hi to me. We have no food. We have just coffee. Bye. we're gonna park on the terminal, cruise park in Long Beach Cruise Terminal this time. And we're gonna leave the car here for the direction of
Right next to the Queen Mary, and if you want to see the Queen Mary, get here soon. All right, we just got here to the cruise ship terminal in Long Beach. It's right where the Queen Mary is. You can also put into your navigation the Carnival cruise ship terminal and you'll get here. Or you can put in the Queen Mary. It is $23 a day to park your car at the cruise ship terminal. And we're gonna go check in. Hopefully this time we have everything ready, unlike last time we came. Here we go, we're ready to go in. Hopefully we have all the travel documents this time. Last time we forgot to do a coronavirus test. This time we have them with us. We're negative. And let's see if they let us in. I think we have to still wear masks though in the terminal, so we gotta get our masks on. All right, we got through check-in. This way to fun, and this is the gang deck out to the boat. All right, one of the first things you have to do when you get on board is go to your mustard station so they know where you are. We're in mustard station A, and we're gonna go check in. And
right now all the shops are closed. Casino is closed. They are still cleaning the ship. But we're going to the muster station, right? That's the first thing to do. And oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So pretty.
So here's the piano bar. That's fun.
So first, wear over your head. And then just lock the strap. Tie the string into ribbon. And please don't forget to check your life jacket has the light, a light reflector, and of course,
The whistle.
the whistle. All good?
yeah.
Then you're all good to go.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Same
This
place.
way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It's great, then whatever it is, it's so cool. Look how it looks. I like it. You can stay here, have a drink. Right? So cool, and it's so big. Look at that.
Just a nice area to lounge and relax.
Somebody forgot the mask. This is the place we probably were never gonna go again on this week. But it was cool. Stairs are cool. I like this. They look like Caesar statue. Is this the shop, Rob?
Kind of like a secret stairwell. I don't know where it goes then.
I thought there was the showroom, but I guess the show is up. And now we're on the other side, and it's very symmetrical. And here is nobody in the window. But you can see from this side, it's the Holland America boat.
So this is the pool deck, the Lido deck, right as we got on the boat. Always really busy on every cruise ship because the cabins aren't ready until about 1:30.
First day of the trip, and I already find the cake. So look at that. Ooh, so good.
All right, for lunch today, I'm gonna have the Reuben sandwich. They have a little deli sandwich station on board, along with all the other little specialty restaurants. They're absolutely amazing. The only trick on the boat is try not to get fat.
Chicken, fish, and a lot of salad. While Ben had a burger. No, it's not a burger. What
Sandwich from the deli place. Nice and juicy.
Enjoy.
There's also a little pizza place, which isn't open right now, but they make pretty okay thin pizza. This one has a specialty called Comfort Kitchen, which is more like the old traditional buffet on a cruise ship. Specialty dishes.
Beautiful sunset.
Alright, so on Carnival cruise ships now, you use their hub app and you can check into dinner and they'll let you know when you're ready. When your table is ready. We have the anytime dining and the main dining room. Your table is ready. So it's like poblano and corn soup, green chili and corn. So good. The food on these cruise ships is always so good. Nice and spicy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. And Chris, for her appetizer, got the shrimp cocktail and the grilled calamari, the fried calamari.
They are so soft. They are like...
Are they nice and soft and not chewy?
No, I don't know if it's chewy because I didn't try it yet.
Well, try it. Tell me if they're chewy.
No, they're nice and soft. And good.
And for dessert, I got the tiramisu, and Chris got the strawberry sugar-free cake fluff.
Strawberry cake.
We'll see how it is. You want to try it?
No, I want it